Conversion copy is copy that's written to get your prospect to say yes to your offer. It is your scalable online salesperson, generating yeses on autopilot. And it's measured not on how creative it is, but on how well it converts. It's measured not on how short or long it is, but on how well it converts. And this is very different from how copy has been measured for like the last 50 years. Copywriting started as the written form of a salesperson on signs outside shops and in early print ads. Then mass advertising took over in the 60s, and the race for marketers and advertisers changed from generating sales to generating mass appeal. Advertising agencies moved the money-making direct response copywriters into the corner of the mailroom and promoted those award-winning creative copywriters to the front of the house, where clients could walk in and see young people being creative. They threw creative and copywriting in for free and charged clients based on media spend. And clients were dazzled by beautiful designs, but they were not dazzled by compelling long-form arguments. It wasn't until the move to digital marketing and the advent of split testing tools, along with growth hacking roles in departments and companies, that people, particularly scrappy startup founders, remembered what copy was supposed to do: get your prospect to say yes to your offer. I coined the term conversion copywriting after working in the growth team at Intuit Global and consulting at conversion rate experts. I coined it after seeing in countless A/B tests that copy, that what you say and how you say it to your prospect directly impacts whether you make sales or fail to make sales. And as I've tested copy again and again for B2B and B2C, for enterprise and consumer, I've seen that copy that converts best, is driven by data about what will and won't get your prospect to convert, is written to communicate a single incredible value to a single reader, is architected to persuade using frameworks and formulas, follows user experience rules but does not bow to them, follows SEO better practices but does not bow to them, leads design and coaches the prospect along the awareness spectrum to the point of conversion. Conversion copywriting is data-driven copywriting combined with the best of direct response copywriting, persuasion, and user experience principles. Its goal is to get your prospect to convert. You can, of course, layer creativity onto your conversion copy, and that happens during the editing process. But you start with data about your prospect and you end with measuring how well it converted. That's the biggest difference between conversion copywriting and regular copywriting.